Hello guys, welcome back. Let's see one of the C language question which was asked in GATE 2015. Here they have given few lines of code and they are asking for the value printed by the above program is. You know, every C program will start executing from main method. The main statement they have given is one array whose name is B and it is going to store all integer values and total of 20 values it is going to store. So I'm going to represent one structure. Let us assume that it's having 20 values whose name is B and it will store only integer values. Let us assume that index starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Next statement is A equal to B. What is A? A is a global variable which you have declared here. See guys, they have declared outside. So A is a pointer which is of integer pointer, means which can store the address of integers. So A is a pointer. So for that pointer, they have copied the value of B. What is the? Let us assume that this address is 100. That address 100 is going to copy it to here. Means it is also pointed to this one. Means when A knows this home address, then obviously it is waiting at this particular location. Yes. Then they have declared one stack top, stk top. Means this is also global variable, right? So stk top one declared, and for that variable they have initialized one value -1. Here you need to understood that we don't have any stk top inside the main function, so we are choosing for global variable. Okay, now stk top is -1, that is what we did. Next they are calling the function stk function by passing the values -1 comma 10. Mean those values will comes to here -1 comma 10. Means opcode will be -1 and value will be 10. Yes, control will moves to inside the function. Now here they have defined one variable, size variable of integer type, and it is static. Static means memory will be created once and it will be used for many times. So memory will be only one time will be created. So I have created memory and they have given one initialized value as 0. And here they have given one more variable stk top whose it is also a static with a value 0. Guys, you need to observe the global stk top variable and the local stk top variable. Okay, this is global stk top variable, this is global local stk top variable. Now as completed, it is going to switch statement. So switch statement, you know, among all the cases it is going to execute only one case based upon the parameter we are passing. Here switch off opcode. Opcode value is -1. Means whichever the case is having the value -1, it matches, then it is going to execute that statement. -1 match this one. Then it is going to what it is going to do? Value is copied to size. The value which passed, that value is going to copy it into size. Value passed is 10, that is going to copy it into size. So here you will get 10. Then immediately break statement they have written. Break means we will completely come out from the function. That is the meaning of this one. If it didn't written break, then surely next it is going to execute continuously based upon the condition satisfied. So break, so we need to come out of from the block. Okay, fine. Yes, I have come out, and the next statement it is going to execute is stk function of 0, 5. Means it is again they are passing 0, 5 values. When they are passing 0, 5 values, yes, we will move to the inside the function. This statement won't execute as it is a static. Now switch off opcode. Opcode value is 0. Now it will match with this case 0. Now if stk top, it will check which variable? Local stk top variable. Local stk top variable is 0 less than, size is what? 10. 0 less than 10, yes, condition is true. Then it is going to execute this statement. This statement is what? A of stk top plus equal to value. Guys, observe here. Here they have given post increment. Post increment meaning that after performing operation we need to perform increment operation. Pre-increment means before performing operation we need to increment. You already know this statement, right? So first I can write like this one. A of stk top equal to value, then stk top plus plus. This way I can write. Means first operation, second operation, this it will execute. Now first A of stk top equal to value. What is stk top? Stk top we need to take first locally. If local is not available, we need to go for global. Local is available with a value 0. That means A of 0 equal to value is what? Value we passed 5. So A of 0 equal to 5. A means 100, means I am waiting at this location. A of 0 means this location. You know. Means I will write star of A plus 0 into 2. A value is what? 100. Star of 100 plus 0 means we can write star of 100. Star of 100 is what? This location, right? So this location I am going to copy it into the value 5. Into the value 5. Then after execution of the copying the value, then it is going to increment the stack top will be by 1. Okay. Now immediately they have given break, means we will comes out of black and it is going to return -1. So here there is no particular variable which is going to store this -1. No problem. This will be completed. Next it is going to call once again stk function by passing 0, 10. 0, 10 as values. Now immediately static, this statement won't execute. Here they pass the value 0. Switch off opcode. Switch off 0 means again case 0 is executing. Now stk top. Stk top is what? 1. 1 less than size means 10. 1 less than 10. Yes, once again it is going to execute the statement only. A of stk top. Stk top is what? 1 now. Means A of 1 equal to value. What is the value which we passed? 10 we passed here. So A of 1 equal to, here you will get 10 value. Then stk top will be incremented by 1, that is 2. Then immediately break, it is going to return -1. There is no variable here to handle. So this statement is completed. Next statement, printf %d comma, they have given some expression by performing addition operation. Expression will execute based upon priority. Addition means left to right associativity. So first it is going to execute the stk function by passing the parameters 1, 0. 1, 0 means opcode is 1, value is 0. Now stk function static, this won't execute. Now opcode value is 1. Switch off 1 now means case 1. 1 not equal to -1, 1 not equal to 0. Then it is going to execute the default statement. Default statement is what? If stk top is what? 2. Here 2. If stk top means some positive value, if there exists some positive value, it is going to execute this statement. Otherwise it won't execute this statement also. As there exists some positive value, then it is going to execute return A of minus stk top. Here they have mentioned pre-decrement. Right, understood? This statement I can write like this. First statement first we will write stk top minus then A of stk top. Stk top minus means first local variable decremented, that is 1. Then A of stk top. A of stk top means A of 1. A of 1 is what? 10, right? That 10 it is going to return. That 10 it is going to return to this location. Okay. Plus stk function of A of 1, 0. Once again 1, 0. Once again it is going to pass 1 and 0. Now this statement won't execute. Opcode value is once again 1. 1 not equal to -1, 1 not equal to 0. Then it is going to execute default statement. Then once again here the value is 1. Some positive value. Then it is going to execute this one. A of minus stk top means first it is going to decrement. Decrement by 1 means 0. Then A of stk top means A of 0. A of 0 value is what? 5. That value is going to return to the function here. Now printf %d comma 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5 means 15. So the output it is going to print by the program is the value 15. It's a very easy one. When you know how the post increment or pre decrement is performing, it will be easy for you. I hope you understood clearly. Thank you.